Former President Jacob Zuma's financial woes are set to escalate, and this follows the Constitutional Court default judgment earlier this week, granting permission to attach assets worth 6.7 million rand at his Nkandla homestead. Newzroom Afrika's Ziyanda Ngcobo takes a look.
The latest court order, which seeks to attach assets such as cattle belonging to former President Jacob Zuma, is in addition to the over 18 million rands being sought by the state attorney for paying his legal challenges. This includes Zuma's 2016 litigation, which sought to interdict the release of the state capture report by then Public Protector Thuli Madonsela.
The Supreme Court of Appeal not only found that he was not entitled to state funding of his litigation, it also ordered the state attorney to take all reasonable steps to recover the now estimated 18.2 million rand that had been spent by taxpayers on that litigation. Now, I know from having spoken to the state attorney that they are in the process of issuing summons against Jacob Zuma for that money. His lawyers have received a letter, a letter of demand, which they have not responded to. So they will then litigate to get the right to potentially, Ziyanda, attach, for instance, his pension.
Senior legal journalist Karen Morn has also observed how the courts are now sending a message about abusing the long arm of the law by issuing personal cost orders.
The fact that the Constitutional Court has ordered the Public Protector to pay personally for what it describes here as abuse of a court process in relation to her impeachment inquiry challenge is a very important development, because there has been, with the former president and with the Public Protector, what is arguably an abuse of taxpayer funding to litigate unwinnable cases.
In a week where there have been more arrests related to alleged state capture crimes, namely Transnet, a sense of hope has been rekindled that the days of paralysis at law enforcement agencies are now a thing of the past.
Well, certainly it's a different institution from the institution that was inherited in 2019. While it's true that some people suspected of being compromised in senior positions are still there, many are not, and there have been replacements of a number of senior positions, directors of public prosecutions, who've brought new energy and new leadership, greater transparency to the NPA.
For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ziyanda Ngcobo in Johannesburg.